Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I would like to talk about another pest and pollinator. It is a pest because it eats the flower parts of plants, so petals and anthers and styles and ovaries, but it also pollinates the plants. It's called Epicomatis hirta, and the Hungarian name is furry beetle, because it has these white furs at the sides and it can carry pollen. It is mostly found in tulips and bearded irises, so they make great damage to these plants, and also fruit trees by eating the flowers and flower parts, but also it pollinates them. It has one generation a year, and the larvae are in the soil and eating plant debris. They usually emerge in March and can be found till mid or late May, depending on the weather. So thank you for your attention. See you next time. Goodbye.